So let's have a quick look at how things are mounted. This is the SJ5000. It's a GoPro clone. Apologies for the lack of light in here, my garage doesn't have power. But this is the SJ clone. It's just mounted with a self-adhesive pad, and as you can see, straight onto the tail unit of the bike. So that's what's been filming the backwards facing shots. And I've also been using the M500 there, although I haven't actually tried it on many occasions. Normally, I'd mount that down here off the footrest hanger. So the voice recorder, here she is. There's a Tascam DR05. If I make some nice loud noise, woo! There you go. You can see that's currently shooting the audio right now. And that brings us on to the helmet. Now I actually keep this separate helmet for vlogging because of the way I set it up. This is the main forward-facing camera. This is the drift. And as you can see, there is the lens I was talking about, which rotates around to suit what you're doing. And the general shape of that camera is very, very, very good for vlogging because it's very aerodynamic. Now I use a self-adhesive mount, and I also use one of these socks to cut down wind, and that reduces the amount of wind in the camera. And as you can see, I also keep a restraining cable, so if that adhesive pad fails, my camera isn't going to fly off into the ether. Then inside the helmet, sorry, difficult to see, actually impossible to see, but there is a microphone in there, and the cable runs through the chin pad, out through the back of the sock, and to the voice recorder. So that's the basic setup. I do like the Drift as a helmet cam. I think it is superior to the GoPro because of its shape. So that is the main reason that I use the Drift, but that's a forward-facing cam. This is going to be our regular rearward-facing cam. The mini disc recorder did not play ball. I think the vibration was the issue because it recorded 6 or 7 tracks and was skipping randomly between them, so I just don't think that's going to work. I may revisit that again another time. But there you go, that's what I use. If you like these videos, hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you soon.